interested that what had been said through Isaiah the prophet,
ministry. Di ba pinanganak si Jesus, lumaki kay Joseph at kay Mary, at pagdating ng kanyang ika-30 taon, doon siya nagsimula sa kanyang ministry, sa kanyang pagpapahayag ng mabuting balita. At napakahalaga nitong staff. Okay? Husbands, simulan po ninyo. Husbands, sabihin ninyo, "Blessed are you, Lord, for your goodness I took," sabihin niyo yung pangalan, "as my wife." Ngayon, wives, "Blessed are you." Bibilang kami 1 to 10, habang kami nagbibilang, naghahalikan naman kayo. Okay po ba yan? Sige, maghanap na po ang mag-asawa. Biro lang po. Ayan. Sige. Let us celebrate their love by the kiss that they share. Tayo magbibilang. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maghalikan kayo. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 10. Palakpakan po natin sila.
Michael, Angel,